80s or something, 60s?
Probably 60s, I don't know. Pick it up and turn it around a little bit. Not that fast, just slowly, just kind of go around. Okay, set it down.
That's so cool. Were we kind of tricking it like that?
Like this?
Yeah, doing that.
Kinda. There's a little mechanical thing that spins right there. It helps helps the precision out a little bit. So it's very worn out, the little bits of cork that's on there.
So you can only turn that far. I wonder what the newer jars cook like. Are they like this big or something?
The newer jars